get rich, I can't be broke. I was asking favors, and everyone telling me no. Wait till the tables turn, we'll see who stays or goes. I don't wanna be outside, I need someone that can keep me home. Yo, I feel so close, but so far.
Damn, man, we lost the race. We got DNF, boys. Fuck. But at least we didn't die.
I smile outside, deep down and start. They only see the results, the pain, they don't know the heart.
No fuck with you, man. No one is surviving this. Not even a fucking John Wick in Fortnite building a castle.
They love me, but I still don't know their intention. I'm trying to live my dream, they're offering peas, I don't wanna sell it. She only look good in the edit. They take
I didn't post because I was too scared. 3 years ago I wasn't scared anymore. I decided to post. You see what can happen if you do. What's up guys, welcome to another video. We're here with all the Lamb bros. We're gonna do a crazy road trip. I think there's about 50 people coming, probably about 30 cars. As you can see here, we have like Aston Martin, GT3RS, McLaren, Lambo, Porsche, like every car you can name it's gonna be here today. We're gonna shoot some guns as well, so stay tuned for that one as well. And hopefully no one dies today, hopefully no one crashes. It's a typical day in Dubai, a typical free day because normally we work a lot, but I'll keep you guys posted. We'll do some nice shots of the cars. And this is insane. This is really like, if you work yourself upward to a certain point where you can get to events like these. It's Dustin's birthday and he just invited a bunch of guys, and this is the show up. This is the people that he's surrounded with. This is the people that are showing up right now, and it's really about just leveling up yourself first and then getting into new levels of the game. The higher level you are, the more high level people you will meet, and that's really why we just work pretty much 14 hours a day every single day on our business to be able to do something like this on a, what is it, Friday, and just meet a lot of cool people. So stay tuned for this whole video. It's gonna be a sick one, probably one of the craziest ones. There's another Lambo pulling up. It's honestly not that special anymore right now. Still grateful to do this, but like seeing so many cars together, seeing so many people being able to either afford a car or rent. And people say like, oh, renting is like cheap, but bro, if you can pay 3K for a car for one day, then it's not that cheap, to be honest. Even having a car is probably cheaper. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's gonna be an amazing day. I hope you guys like these videos. We'll provide some more value too. See you guys soon.
I feel the betrayal, I'm ready to lay on, I'm ready to spray on, I'm fuck on your hoe. I'm pushing the spit, got the stars the dope. I got one of those, my bitch be cold. She feeling my presence, I put on the present. She rockin' with Getty, she fucking with me. She rockin' the Kelly, I put on the jetty. I'm put on the fetty, my cash.
Oh, it's a little bit sketchy now.
And then be said, these niggas be goofy, they look like the Fed. I couldn't fit it, and still one got it. Look at who got it, I'm going crazy. Walking with Zimas, I gotta be honest. I'm walking with Zimas, I gotta be honest. I'm keeping the thousand.
Alright, what's up everyone? We're currently on our way to the shooting range. Some of the cars still had to arrive, some of the cars already left. I didn't want to stand in the sun much longer. It's really fucking hot today. Actually insane. I really do like this car too. Also, I can't mix the exit, so we're gonna see if we can make the exit. But yeah, we made it. Anyways, currently on our way to the shooting range. It's gonna be sick. Gonna shoot some guns as well probably. We'll see how it goes. Then hopefully all the cars should be there eventually. Like right now everybody is a little bit split up. We have Sander and the STO in front of us, so that's cool. But yeah, we'll keep you guys posted, and let's have some fun in these cars, man.
What's your favorite thing about this car?
The sound, man. I love this fucking sound, bro. It's actually insane. It's a V10. It's orange. I love the color as well. The Arturo is always orange. I like the Lambo's orange. I think orange is just a great color in general. But yeah, it's also super fast. It's not as sketchy as the McLaren. Like the McLaren is really like, oh, I'm about to kill myself kind of car. It just feels really comfortable. Even if you go fast, it feels kind of safe. So yeah, I really like the Lambos. I like the McLarens. I haven't really decided. So far, we're just renting, figuring out which car we want to buy soon. But yeah, I mean, I like these cars, man. It's honestly my favorite thing to do is just rent a bunch of cars together with your friends, or even some of my friends have the cars, and just drive around in Dubai, go to a shooting range, go to the desert, like once a week, maybe once a month even sometimes, to really just enjoy the fruits of your labor. I think that's what it's all about. You can always just keep working, but then what are you working for if you never actually enjoy the fruits of your labor? So yeah, that being said, let's open the window real quick. Nice. You see what I mean?
So on the other hand, what is your least favorite thing about this car?
I think it's super bumpy, man. Like this car is really like bang, 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 bang. That makes sense. So yeah, it's really, really bumpy. But overall, I think it's a nice car. I don't know if it could be my daily driver. I don't think any supercar can really be a daily driver. But yeah, it's a cool car.
Whatever I'm with, my bitch with it too. But let's see y'all, man, them sticks included. Crash out, crash out, crash out, crash out, crash out.
0 to 80.
Hot in here,
0
so
to 80.
take off all your clothes. We gotta fix the music, man. I hate this.
0 to 80 kilometers an hour.
0 to 80, yeah. Is there a speed bump?
Yeah, I think there's coming. That will be a sad way to die.
Yeah, nah, nobody's dying today. But when we drove away from that parking lot, people went sketchy already, man. Everybody just goes, but you have to check your surroundings, you know. I don't know anyone here except for Rev, Xander, and Dustin. So I don't know who all the other people are that came. But yeah, let's meet some new people. That's also nice, like you can connect with some new people. Maybe pay them to have them help you, or the other way around. It just really depends on who they are and what they offer. But this is also how you can grow. You meet new high-level people that can help you grow your business, or the other way around, where I can help them, for example, with their social media. So that being said, stuff like this is fun. It's also worth it. It can help your business. It can improve your business, and you can make new friends too. Like maybe you don't decide to work together, you become friends. That's fine too. But it's always good to meet new people, because what a lot of people say, like entrepreneurship and starting your online business can be super lonely, and it's actually true, because most of the time you spend behind your laptop all by yourself. Of course you have meetings, but it's not really feeling like you're doing something with friends. And the moments like these is when you can actually feel like everyone is doing this all together, but they're all just doing their own thing, if that makes sense. That really didn't make sense, but I mean, you guys get the point. Anyways, we're almost there. I think it's about a 5-minute drive. We're the first one there always. My name is Kier Verstappen, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, it's just great, man. It's just great to do stuff like this on a day-to-day basis, or not day-to-day basis, on like a monthly basis, I would say. And just enjoying the power of these cars, enjoying the power of and the beauty of Lamborghini, and also making sure you don't get pulled over by anyone. So yeah. And then we have an STO coming right next. Oh, too late. We made it alive. What a surprise, what a surprise. Damn, man, we lost the race. We got DNF, boys, fuck. But at least we didn't die. At least we didn't fucking die. Alright guys, we just got a DNF. We didn't finish the race on time. Everybody was here first. Anyways, we're at the shooting range. We're gonna shoot some guns. I don't know yet which guns, but we'll see. And yeah, we're still waiting for about, I think, 40-50 more cars. So probably gonna stand and wait in the sun again for another 30 minutes or so, because they didn't leave. The drive is about 30 minutes. But it's gonna be cool. Really fucking hot today, man. Like crazy. What the fuck is going on, man? Where's the car?
Parked over there because these monkeys.
Like real monkeys? Or?
No, these guys were like, there was no more spots. So we parked, we did a whole lineup there. But that
damn, bro, they should have done the lineup. We have parking here now. That's actually crazy. How's the car? Everybody safe?
Bro, everybody's safe. The car's 10 on 10. I have no complaints. The GT3 RS is the best fucking car ever made. I recommend everybody drive one at least once in their life. Yeah. I intend to buy one. Mark my words. Wallahi, I will buy one. In
6 months. Inshallah.
3 months, bro. Inshallah.
Inshallah. That's what they say here. Blessings on blessings, guys.
All right, let's go fucking mag dump.
Oh, we just ordered some food as well, bro.
Food? Food?
So what gun did you go with?
I don't fucking know. Rev did it for me. I think it's like a small AR, some type of thing. Not a Glock. I hope it's semi-auto, or I just spam the finger on the trigger if I'm not a pussy. We'll see.
Yeah, Ralph chose for me too, so we'll see.
Yeah.
I trust him. He seems to know what he's doing.
Yeah, Rev knows his stuff. He was Batman, you know. He is actually. Don't fuck with me, man.
How was that?
That was cool, bro. I like the smaller gun, was super hard. I also had to get into it, I think. This is the smaller gun. As you can see, my aim is ass. This is where we put the auto aim on. No one is surviving this. Not even a fucking John Wick from Fortnite building a castle. You see? Straight through the heart, bro. The heart is not there anymore. The handgun, I fucked it up.
Yeah, bro, you're good.
This is the handgun.
For my first time, I feel really good about it.
Yeah. You know you can hit people.
Yeah, and I'm blind too, so like, bro, so fun.
Yeah.
But you're American, you should be able to hit.
I know, right? I'm not actually, I'm Brazilian.
Damn, this car is beautiful, guys. Rate this car in the comments right now. Scale of 1 to 7. Scale of 1 to 7, rate this car. I would rate it a 7 out of 7. Honestly, my dream car. Maybe the spec a little bit different, but yeah. Shooting was fun. It's a little bit overrated though, because you just stand there and you do and then you hit the target. So maybe next time we can go shooting in the US, walk around, do full auto as well. I wasn't even allowed to film any videos, even though we still kind of did. And then now there's no plan because we're boys. So everybody's just standing until somebody goes, let's go. Right now nobody said it, so we're still standing here.
Let's go! No, I like to drive. I like to drive.
Intrusive thoughts, bro. Yeah, I had so many intrusive thoughts before I entered the shooting range, but luckily I didn't do any of them.
Oh, careful saying that in Dubai, bro.
You begging that bitch not to leave. I fuck her whenever I please. You pop on that big in the please. I'm begging.
The A12, bro. The A12 Novitec sounds so insane, bro. We'll try to get it soon on the road, but it's actually insane. But yeah, crazy. We're gonna go to the next place right now. The car is super loud. Yeah, Xander's calling me too.
I came from the blocks of the section block. The bitch figured out I'm a better man. Red diamonds today like a fireman. This
On the floor, my parents didn't teach me love, and I know how to divorce. I probably get some help from the things I've
My favorite time of the day is when the sun goes down, the sky is like a little bit blurry, and it just really looks like, I don't know, it just feels like such a nice sunset. The whole sky is always, well, pretty much always clear in Dubai. It almost looks like magical, if that's how you can say it. But yeah, no, it's probably my favorite time of the day right now. It's like 5 p.m.-ish, sunset starts to go. I really think the sunsets here are beautiful. Some people might disagree. And now too, we're driving in such a calm area. We're probably the least calm person in this area right now. I hope we are going to the right location. It says 15 minutes, we're gonna do it in 5. I'm just kidding, because there's too much traffic lights here in Germany, because we are in Germany. And there's this Jeep on our ass. I don't know what they want. Let's see what this car can do. We put it in Corsa. Corsa is like... So that was about 100 kilometers per hour. Absolutely insane. Makes so much noises already. No emotion, just chill. But we don't want to get a speeding ticket because the maximum speed limit here is 100 kilometers per hour, and that's also what we were driving just now. So we're almost there. 14 minutes. We'll see if we went to the right location. I'll keep you guys posted.
I start to cross like a river. Ice and cold in the beverage. One of the boss I got leverage. Ain't carry like I'm
So I'm still debating which car I really like more, because the McLaren is like sketchy and it gets a lot of eyeballs and it just looks so almost like a spaceship. With the Huracan, specifically in Dubai, everybody has a Huracan. So, but the V10, bro, the V10, the sound is amazing, bro. The sound is actually amazing, bro. Like when you shift that thing. It's absolutely crazy, so still haven't really thought about that. I really do know that I need to buy myself one of these cars so I can have like the calm, like chill night drives, enjoying the night, enjoying after a hard day of work, you just whip it around, whether it's Dubai, Amsterdam, Miami, doesn't matter. You just need one of these cars, and it's honestly not that hard to get one. I mean, I don't even have one right now. I will get one probably soon, mark my words. But yeah, it's just so nice. Like enjoying time, clearing your head while driving. I think it's the best meditation in my eyes. But yeah, McLaren or Lambo? What do you guys think?
Yo, what do you do for a living?
No camera, no camera.
Niggas fake, I don't trust them. I wanna dust them. I peep, they been on some shit. I think it's time to flush them. Flying back to
What's up, guys? We're at the last location of the day. What's this place called?
Bab El Shams.
Bab El Shams. We're gonna have some food here. Everybody split up now. Everybody is coming together again, just like any other road trip you guys see online. But yeah, getting a little bit tired. Doesn't matter. We're gonna have some fun. We'll see where the other guys are. I'll take you guys with me. So this place is absolutely insane. Like, look at this area over there. You can do like camel rides. You can do everything here. Camel rides, buggy rides. I don't know what else. We're gonna have some food, some healthy food. Otherwise, I owe him 580.
We have a little agreement. We are on a cut, and if somebody else eats like something off the diet, other one needs to pay him 500 euros.
That's good accountability.
Yeah. So we're ordering a burger with extra fries and truffle.
Yeah, I saw you eating the steak and the fucking salad earlier.
I was dying, bro. Everybody had the burger, I had the steak and salad, bro.
Did you ask for the salad?
No, I just got it for free. I didn't eat it though. I only ate the tomatoes. You know what would be nice in GTA? You always have this camera filming you, and after playing GTA, you can just edit it. This is what I used to do, like, bro, like 10 years ago. I would make like nice car videos. I had a whole crew. We would drive around GTA, go to like Los Santos, go to the mountains, make a whole edit. Didn't post because I was too scared. 3 years ago, I wasn't scared anymore. I decided to post. You see what can happen if you do. Yeah, as you guys can see, we made it to the dinner spot. It's honestly one of the most beautiful places I think we've been so far. This Canadian fucker is trying to make fun of my accent.
My accent?
All day, every day. All day, every day. At least he's a nice guy, you know, so it like compensates each other. But yeah, the burger was fire. It was way too much food for being in a cut. We can't eat anything for the rest of the day. Bro, it's 6 p.m, so we're fucked. We're gonna race back home, stay safe, and listen to all the traffic rules. Don't break any, and don't crash. And it's gonna be a nice day.
bad bitches, I keep all of them happy. Dinner for my bitch, buy her all go patty. She can say a good dick, get a Benz formatted. It's a rich nigga, come and feel my fabric. I got one.
Hi guys, we're going back to Hookah Boss. I don't know how to say it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. It's a little bit of a random video. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna use it for YouTube. If it does, then you'll see this right now, obviously. But yeah, this time we're really gonna drive with all the cars together. If it works out well, I just don't know if everyone knows where we're going. So we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.
Take it back. Metro Bowman having cheese, now these niggas number rats. I I've been drinking codeine, steady rocking, even get. I can feel this money power, got these niggas so upset. I can't worry about the flaw shit, the flawless on my neck. Wimple noodles on the dog, asshole, that's all. Go parade and whenever, I just spaz out. Dripped in Louis V bandana, got my rag out. Bitch was so damn excited, she just lost count. I got shit like Nike, get nigga checked.